look at this flower, so beautiful. Look at the color, red one. And we got yellow color. Here we are, red color, so beautiful. And I think it's so wonderful living with different flowers, different varieties. So here we got green color, just green color. If you're living with different varieties or something important, look at it, so beautiful. I really love this color, red color, and this one is just yellow color. Another one is